Hello everyone, welcome to RPIIT channel. My name is Vadini. I am assistant professor in RPIIT Bastava, Computer Sciences Department. Today we are going to learn about software development lifecycle models. So this is the introduction video. Software development lifecycle models are the frameworks that guide the development process of software applications from initialization to deployment. To this day, we have more than 50 recognized SDLC model which is being used, but none of them is perfect and each brings the favorable aspects and disadvantages for a specific software development project or a team. So there are some very famous SDLC models also. But before starting, like let's just give a brief introduction to the SDLC here. So there are different software development models that specify and design which are followed during the software development phase. These models are also called software development process models. Each process model follows a series of phases unique to its type to ensure that the success in the step of software development. Why we need a software development life cycle model? So this is something we can say that it is to follow a disciplined and systematic method while designing software. With the software development lifecycle, the process of software design is divided into smaller parts, which make the problem more understandable and easy to resolve. You can say SDLC, as we have already discussed in my earlier videos also, SDLC comprises a detailed description, or you can say step-by-step plan for designing, developing, testing, and maintaining the software. How we choose the SDLC model. So we choose the SDLC model is a very essential for any project success, we can say. That is like project requirements on the basis of project size and complexity, on the basis of team expertise, on the basis of, you can say, client involvement, and what are the time and budget constraints, you can say, and then risk managements, product release timeline. So these are certain points where the stakeholders expectations. So these are why how you choose the SDLC model. So let's just see what are the models, famous models which being used nowadays in the market. So these are some very in a practice models which being used in the market right now, as I've already told. So these each brings its favorable aspects and disadvantages. Uh, so waterfall model, I'll just go in the brief. In my next video, I'll explain each and every model in detail for you people. So let's start with a very brief description about the models here. Waterfall model, it is a fundamental model of the SDLC. This is a very simple model. So it because it is very simple structure, the waterfall model is very easier to use and provides the tangible outputs. So in the let's start with the V model. Then V model in the is executed in the sequential manner in V shape. So each stage or phase of this model is integrated in testing phase. Then we have RAD. So RAD is like, it is something where the random access designing is being done, and then we have prototype model. In this also, prototype and interaction model. So these are all the models where we been used in different kind of certainties. Then we have like spiral model. It is one of the most crucial and SDLC model that makes provides the support for risk handling, you can say. Then we have iterative and incremental model. This is something like semi-developed but deployed version. Then the spiral and right now the famous model is agile. Even the agile technology has also been very famous in right now in the market. So agile model is mainly designed to adapt the changing request very quickly, and it also facilitates the quick project completion, you can say. And then agile model refers to a group of development process. Have we covered? Spiral model is one of the most crucial SDLC models that provides support of risk handling. Like it has very various spirals in its diagrammatic representation. We will study about it in our next video. So one more model is there, that is a Big Bang model, that is also very famous, and it is used to describe the informal and unstructured approach to software development, where there is no specific planning or documentation at well defined stages. So let's start. One more concept is there, that is software modeling. So what is software modeling? It is the process of creating an abstract representation of software systems. These models serve as a blueprints that guides developers, designers, and stakeholders throughout the system structure, behavior, and functionality. Different companies, depending on the software application or product, choose the type of development model which is appropriate for their application. But these days, agile methodology is the most popular in the market. That's it for the video. Do like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.